So, and then while getting into the exam hall, leave each and every expectation or any other thing. It's just supposed to be you, whatever you have learned, and that's it. Nothing else. Not your emotions, not your expectations or anything. You see the paper, you do whatever you can, and that's it. My last minute suggestions would be the JEE mains paper, what you're getting, it's gonna be a surprise. It's not like very easy questions or very hard questions. They will challenge you, and that is why it holds that standard. So it's completely fine. And whatever you have done, you cannot change it, and that is what I mean. Those are the weapons you have collected. Instead of thinking much, take those weapons, go fight. That's it. So it's completely fine. You will face tough questions, you will face easy questions. Do whatever you can. Doing your best is ultimately the whatever is required. You're not there to go score 100% or 95%. I mean, that is not the limit. Even though you're scoring 80% or let's say 90%, you still are going to get a very good rank. So it's completely fine, guys. I mean, do not pressure out too much. Like, you're not getting a question, put it aside. It's completely fine. Uh, and you will have easier questions. I mean, no question paper it is completely tough, and they're not aiming to destroy you or anything. They're just trying to filter you out. So stay calm, and that is when you can perform the best. So completely relax down. You'll have some time before the exam starts. Calm down and just feel free and write your exam and come back.
Don't think about marks in exam, because whatever marks you will get, this is definitely based on your performance. So never worry about the marks in the exam, but after the exam you have to definitely analyze your marks and stuff.
Yeah, many people have their expectations for you. I think before the exam you should not think about it. It's better if you not think about it. It'll surely improve your chances.
When you're writing the exam, don't care about all these things. Don't care about what rank you're gonna get. Don't care about how many marks you're gonna score. Don't care about what other people are gonna score. Just only see the questions, see if you know the concept. If you can solve, you can solve it. Write the exam for the sake of solving questions. That's gonna help you a lot. If you're writing the exam thinking about ranks and scores, you'll probably be nervous, and you may sometimes skip the easy questions because you are nervous, and it's just that you don't get the point at the time.
So these are all the points that I have for you guys, and I hope that you guys will perform really well in the exam. So that's all from me. This is me, Vishnu, signing off.
All the best for all of you. Hope you get whatever score, you get much more marks than whatever score you expect, and you get into your dream colleges, and all your dreams be fulfilled.
All the very best, guys. Hope you give your examination very well. And also going into the exam, go with a plain mind. Just don't panic. Just don't do anything. Just go with the pen and get out with the pen. That's it.
All the best for your exams, and you'll definitely rock it.
All the best and write well.
And whenever faced with a difficult question, leave it for that moment. We'll see to it later. And also, I would advise you, do not shuffle a lot between the questions.
And all the best, guys, for your exam.
All the best.
कुछ टेंशन मत लो, कुछ ज़्यादा मत सोचो कि जेई है, ये है, वो है, कुछ मत सोचो ज़्यादा. बस अपना आराम से जाओ, एग्ज़ाम दो बस, और फोड़ के आओ.